Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Airbus A330neo delays continue. Boeing lands huge order. IAG's major Boeing and Airbus order. In May 2025, IAG, the parent company of British Airways, Iberia, and Aer Lingus, announced a substantial order for 71 long-haul aircraft, split between Boeing and Airbus. This includes 32 Boeing 787-10s for British Airways and 21 Airbus A330-900neos for its Aer Lingus, Iberia, or Level brands. The deal also includes options for 10 additional Boeing 787s and 13 more A330neos, reflecting confidence in long-haul demand despite delivery challenges. The order, valued at approximately $10 billion for Boeing's share, aligns with the US-UK trade deal, highlighting strategic fleet expansion. Vietjet doubles A330neo order. Vietnamese budget carrier Vietjet confirmed an order for 20 additional Airbus A330-900 aircraft in May 2025, doubling its existing A330neo backlog from an initial order placed in February 2024. Signed in Hanoi during a visit by French President Emmanuel Macron, this deal supports Vietjet's long-haul expansion strategy over the next decade. However, no specific delivery timeline was disclosed, raising concerns about potential delays given Airbus's supply chain issues. Flyadeal's A330neo order and delay concerns. In April 2025, Saudi budget carrier Flyadeal, part of the Saudia Group, ordered 10 Airbus A330-900neos to support its long-haul expansion into Southeast Asia, with deliveries slated to begin in July 2027. CEO Stephen Greenway criticized Airbus for inexcusable delays in narrow-body jet deliveries and expressed fears that similar issues could affect the A330neo order. While Airbus stated it was unaware of A330neo delays, Greenway noted the first aircraft was expected on the production line by December 2026, but uncertainty persists. Airbus delivery challenges. Airbus has faced persistent supply chain disruptions, particularly with engine shortages from CFM International, impacting its delivery schedules. In March 2025, Airbus delivered 71 aircraft, contributing to a first-quarter total of 136, but warned airlines that delays could persist for 3 years. Lessors have indicated supply tensions may continue through the decade. These issues raise concerns about the timely delivery of A330neos, as seen with Flyadeal's apprehensions. Boeing's delivery performance improves. Boeing reported a significant uptick in deliveries, handing over 45 jets in April 2025, nearly double the 24 delivered in April 2024. This included 8 787s, with Boeing aiming for a production rate of 7 787s per month by year-end and 10 by 2026. Despite this progress, Boeing trails Airbus, which delivered 56 jets in April. Boeing's ability to redirect jets to other airlines amid trade tensions with China has mitigated some delivery pressures. Trade war impacts Boeing orders. A US-China trade dispute, with 145% tariffs imposed on Chinese goods, led China to halt Boeing jet deliveries in April 2025. This affects major Chinese carriers like Air China, China Eastern, and China Southern, which had 179 Boeing jets on order for 2025 to 2027. Boeing is reselling affected planes, such as a jet returned to the US in April, leveraging Airbus's limited capacity to redirect jets to other markets. Airbus A330neo production stability. Airbus maintains steady A330neo production at 3 to 4 aircraft per month, with 2 delivered in April 2025. Unlike Boeing's 787 program, Airbus has no immediate plans to ramp up A330neo production, focusing on stabilizing supply chains. The A330neo's performance package, approved by ASA in March 2025, enhances payload and range capabilities, making it attractive for airlines like Vietjet and Flyadeal. Aircalin's A330neo maintenance grounding. In May 2025, Aircalin, a New Caledonian carrier, temporarily grounded its two A330-900neos for scheduled maintenance during the peak summer season, July to September 2025. To maintain its long-haul schedule, including a 26-hour Paris route via Bangkok, Aircalin leased an Airbus A330-200 from Hi-Fly. This highlights operational challenges with the A330neo, even absent delivery delays. Boeing's Air Force One delay. Boeing's delivery of new Air Force One jets, modified 747-8s, has been delayed to 2027, with President Trump expressing frustration over the timeline. The delays stem from stringent security requirements and supply chain issues, though some requirements were relaxed to expedite delivery. This high-profile project underscores Boeing's broader delivery challenges, contrasting with its commercial progress. Market dynamics and competition. Airbus continues to outpace Boeing in deliveries, with 136 jets delivered in Q1 2025 compared to Boeing's 130. However, Boeing's order book remains robust, with 737 MAX, 4777X, and 53,787 orders in March 2025. Airbus's A330neo, while popular with over 1,800 firm orders from 130 customers, faces delivery risks that could shift airline preferences toward Boeing's 787, despite its longer delivery wait times. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.